What if every journey started from orbit? Wanderscape 4K presents. In the silent vastness of space, a blue planet slowly drifts, our Earth. On it, endless roads and hidden corners waiting to be discovered. Wanderscape 4K invites you on one of those journeys. Today, we travel from the quiet Irish town of Durrow to the vibrant shores of Tramore, from the heart of green meadows to the foaming edge of the Atlantic. Our journey begins. We descend lower and lower, gliding through soft clouds. Through the white mist, the coast of Tramore begins to appear, a wide arc of golden sand and a shimmering line of surf. We drive along a narrow, winding road between green hills. The scenery outside the window keeps changing. Villages, fields, old stone fences flash by and fade into the distance. Sunlight flickers through roadside trees, dancing across the road. With every passing kilometer, the anticipation grows. The ocean awaits us. On the map, our route from Durrow to Tramore is marked with a thin line. That line is like a thread connecting two worlds, a peaceful inland town and the crashing waves of the ocean shore. Every kilometer is a step from one reality to another. Finally, we reach what we've been chasing, the endless ocean horizon. Tramore welcomes us with its wide beach, refreshing salty wind, and the soft whisper of waves. The sand beneath our feet is cool and gentle. The wind carries the scent of the sea and the cries of seagulls. Waves roll onto the shore again and again, leaving lace-like foam on the sand. Their eternal rhythm is mesmerizing. Standing at the very edge of the water, we feel small before the power of nature, yet infinitely free. After a long journey, we simply stand there, letting the moment linger. Somewhere beyond the beach, laughter and music drift in. The town lives its own life. Behind the sand dunes, a world of color and fun awaits. Carousels spin to cheerful tunes, bright colors swirl like a kaleidoscope. The Ferris wheel rises into the sky, children squeal with joy on the rides. The air is filled with the scent of cotton candy and fresh popcorn. The laughter of children and adults blends with the sound of the waves, creating a single melody of seaside life. In this joyful chaos, there's a lightness of being, a moment when all worries are forgotten. The camera soars into the sky. From a bird's eye view, Tramore stretches before us. The town, the beach, the endless sea. Streets become thin lines, houses, colorful dots between green hills and blue ocean. Tiny figures move slowly along the golden arc of the beach like grains of sand on a vast land. Cloud shadows drift over land and sea. The sun hides and reappears, casting glittering reflections on the waves. Below, near the water, bright kites soar, kite surfers catching the wind, gliding like dancers on the water. On one side of the horizon, dark storm clouds gather. On the other, the sky shines clear. The ocean reflects both moods, light and shadow. The town, the beach, the people, everything below feels small beneath the endless sky. Our journey comes to an end, leaving behind quiet joy and inspiration. We'll remember the golden beach, the sound of the waves, and the laughter echoing along the shore. Every journey is more than a path on a map. It's a memory, a feeling we take with us. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Subscribe to Wanderscape 4K. Many more breathtaking journeys await. Until we meet again, somewhere on this beautiful planet.